Good morning, my dear kids. So now it's a EVS class. Today we are going to see a new topic, safety and first aid. So we are going to see chapter 6, safety and first aid. Shall we move to the class? Yes. So all of you take page number 84. Page number 84. Now you see, look at the following pictures and answer the questions given. In the first scooty, one parent, she is the mother and he is the son, right? So that mother, she is wearing helmet. And in the second one, she is not wearing the helmet. And in the third one, he is playing without knowing the seriousness. So what's the question? Which according to you is safe driving? The lady and the boy driving with the helmet or the lady driving without the helmet? Of course, the lady and the boy driving with the helmet. See the helmet. With the helmet. Because the helmet, it will protect the head. If we are getting accident, first we will be getting injured in the head. So it is very dangerous. So this helmet, it will protect us from getting hurt in the head. For that purpose, we are wearing the helmet. And here, staying safe. So what is the purpose, right? Safety means to be safe. Safety means to be safe. What is meant by safe? So for example, this is the safest one, right? They are driving and she is wearing the helmet. So it is the safest one. That is known as safe. She is safe now. So safety means to be safe. Safety means to protect ourselves from harm. To protect ourselves. We have to protect ourselves. Nobody will help us. We have to protect us ourselves. We can be safe if we are careful and do things the proper way. She is the best example. She is doing the proper way, wearing helmet. But see this girl. What a naughty girl she is. She is not wearing helmet, right? So she is not the good example. She is the perfect example to be safe. Okay, children. So first para you see, safety means to be safe. Safety means to protect ourselves from harm. We can be safe if we are careful and do things the proper way. Okay, children. So she is the best example. And second, the third picture, a little boy is standing on a chair and leaning out of the balcony. See this one. He is standing on the chair and leaning out of the balcony. Is it safe to stand on a chair or stool without an adult around? Adult means like your parents or your sisters, brothers, elders. Those parents or elders, if they are not there, means whether you can stand on a chair or stool, yes or no? Yeah, no, right? If there is no one is there, means don't stand on a chair like this in the balcony area. You will get fell. And then, is it possible for the boy to fall off the chair? Yes. See this image. There is a possible to fall off the chair, right? So, yes. Just imagine you see your brother standing on a chair alone. What will you do? What will you do, children? If your brother is standing on a chair alone, means just you have to inform your parents or elders. Otherwise, if parents or elders are not there in home, means you have to take care of your brother. Just you take him from the place. Okay, children? Okay, so first para we learned, right? Safety means to be safe. See, ma, why I am reading like this means from here I will take some one mark questions. So be careful, okay? Safety means to be safe. Safety means to protect ourselves from harm. We can be safe if we are careful and do things the proper way. And then it is important to develop safety habits. Most accidents are caused because of carelessness. Most accidents are caused because of carelessness. See, carelessness means we are not taking the proper what? We are not considering the proper rules. See here, if she is meeting an accident means she can able to relieve from that because she is wearing the helmet. But she is not wearing the helmet, so she will be getting more hurt. So that is the carelessness. All of us must learn safety rules. We must follow them in our daily life. So what is accident? See, accident means an event that causes injury or damage. Injury means hurt, something hurt in our outer body. Carelessness means not paying enough attention to what one does. Okay ma, carelessness means not paying. If someone is saying, if your parents, they will say don't go there, don't go there, but purposefully you will be going there and you will get hurt. So that is said as carelessness. Not paying enough attention to what one does. So if anyone is saying me, just you consider the rules and regulations, everything, so that you will not get any hurts. Okay children? Okay, then we can move to the next page. Why safety matters? Why we have to follow up? Why we have to be safe? Because life is valuable, right? It's very precious. We have to protect it and keep it safe. If we do not follow safety rules, we may get injured. Obviously, if you are not following the safety rule means we will be getting injured. So what is valuable? See, something that is worth a lot. Valuable means it's a precious one. Appliance means an electric machine used to do this appliance. Hereafter we are going to learn. First, today we are going to see only the safety rules at home. Only today we are going to see the safety rules at home. What are the safety rules we have to follow at home? See, it is very important for parents to lay down safety rules for children, because children, they don't know, they are kids. So the parents, they have to take care of their children and they have to say about the safety rules to their children. Read on to find what safety rules Mani and Meena's mother lays down for them. So this is for parents. Okay, parents, please listen, and also children. Mani and Meena's mother is a busy woman. Mani and Meena's mother, they are a busy woman. She works for a company. She is working in a company. She leaves home at 9 a.m. morning and get back home at 6 p.m. in the evening. Mani and Meena are back home from school before her at 3 p.m. itself. Okay, but Mani and Meena's mother, they will be coming to home at 6 p.m. But these kids, they will be returned home at 3 p.m. itself. See, the parents, they will be coming at 6 p.m. and the kids, they will be coming at 3 p.m. itself. She has a safety chart at home that says safety matters. So what their parents did, they did one safety chart. They did one safety chart at homes, and that is said to as safety matters, because the parents, they will be coming late, but the kids, they will be coming very early, so that they can't able to guide them at the evening. So they are making one safety charts. That safety chart that have to be followed by the kids. She wants Mani and Meena to follow the safety rules in the chart. And here are some of the rules in the chart. We have to follow this. Okay, ma? This is for each and every kids. So today onwards, parents, please make your children in the home, make a list like that, and please make your children to be safe. Okay, first point, we should not touch switches and plugs with wet hands. Wet hand means water hand. Okay, so sometimes our hand will be watery, right? Just we will be washing our hands and immediately you will be touching the switch. It is very dangerous. We will be getting very high shock. So should not touch the switches, plugs with wet hands. If dry hand is there means you can touch. Wet hand means don't touch. Okay, mom. Then we should not play with the electric switches or appliances. See what is meant by appliance? An electric machine used to do a particular job like iron box, TV, water heater, grinder, mixer, everything it is a appliance, electric appliance. So should not play with the switches or the electric appliances. We might get an electric shock. Then we should not play with sharp and pointed objects. What are the sharp and pointed objects? Like scissors, shaving blades, needles, knives. We should not play with scissors, shaving blades, needles and knives. And then we should not touch chemicals or any unwanted but unknown bottle. Sometimes some medicines will be there in home. Like fever medicine, cough medicine, cold medicine. Please don't touch that medicines, or like pesticides they will be keeping in home for fertilizing. So that and all don't touch. And then we should not play in the kitchen, because kitchen means gas stove will be there, cylinder will be there, knife will be there. So don't play in the kitchen. We should keep everything in its proper place. If you are taking your note or textbook for learning, after finish your learning, just you keep the note in the same place. First where you took, the same place you have to keep. Just don't throw it. Okay, that's this point. We should keep everything in its proper place. We should not put objects such as coins or marbles into our mouth. It will go inside and it will cause severe damage. So what are the points? We should not touch switches and plugs with wet hands. Second point, we should not play with electric switches or appliances. We might get an electric shock. Third point, we should not play with sharp and pointed objects such as scissors, shaving blades, needles and knives. Fourth one, we should not touch chemicals or any unknown bottle. Fifth one, we should not play in the kitchen. Sixth point, we should keep everything in its proper place. Seventh point, we should not put objects such as coins or marbles into our mouth. Okay, children. So next page. See, children, you do not smell chemicals. You do not touch plugs. It will be affecting. You will be affecting with electric shock. That Meena and Mani are happy that their mother takes so much of care for their safety. They always follow all the instruction given. They decide to show their love for her, for their mother. They make a greeting card for her on Mother's Day and present it to her. So till that we are going to complete the lesson today. So what we learned? We have to be safe, right? Safety means to be safe. Safety means to protect ourselves from harm. So most accidents are caused because of carelessness. So our life is very much valuable. So we have to be and also I said some points. You have to follow the points to be safe. Next week we can study the safety rules at school. Okay, children. So read these 2 pages. I will be sending 1 words in these pages. You have to answer. Okay, children. So I am going to end the session. So take care, children. Bye-bye. Be safe. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye, children. Miss you all, children. Bye-bye.